Hi, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we discuss simple tips you can use to shop smart during the holiday season. One of the biggest challenges of sticking to your budget is resisting the temptation to buy more than you need or can afford. To avoid impulse buying and overspending, here are some strategies you can use. Number 1, shop with a list. Before you hit the stores or go online, make a list of what you need to buy and who you are buying for. This will help you stay focused and avoid buying things that are not on your list. Number 2, if possible, try to shop with cash. Try to use cash instead of credit cards when you shop. This will help you limit your spending to what you have in your wallet and avoid extra fees later. If you have to use a credit card, use one with a low interest rate and pay off the balance as soon as possible. Thirdly, shop early. Don't wait until the last minute to do your holiday shopping. This will only lead to stress, panic, and poor decisions. Instead, start shopping early and take advantage of sales, discounts, and deals throughout the year. This will also help you spread out your spending and avoid a big financial hit later. And lastly, shop around. Don't settle for the first price you see. Compare prices from different stores and websites and look for the best deals. You can also use coupons and promo codes to save even more money. However, don't buy something just because it's cheap. Make sure it's something you or your recipient really want and need. To conclude, we hope you have learned some useful tips on how to plan ahead, compare prices, and save money during the holiday season. By following these tips, you can enjoy the festive spirit without breaking the bank. You can also make smart shopping decisions that will benefit you and your loved ones. Remember, the holiday season is not about how much you spend, but how much you care. What tips have you tried? Let us know in the comments section below. And if this video has helped you learn something new, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next video.